Meaning of fundraising.
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 Fundraising. Fundraising is the process of gathering voluntary contributions of money, time, or other resources from individuals, organizations, or businesses to support a specific cause or project. This can be done through various methods such as events, online campaigns, grants, donations, and sponsorships. Fundraising is a crucial aspect for non-profit organizations and charities to sustain their activities and achieve their missions. Successful fundraising efforts can result in financial stability, increased awareness and engagement, improved services, and ultimately, positive impact on communities and individuals in need.